The role of officers and councillors are different. They are very different. The councillors will make the decisions. The officers will get lots of the information. They'll give them the options and the recommendations within their professional capacity. But it's the councillors and the council at the end of the day that does make that decision. You work very closely as part of a team and collaborate on the work that's going on. I meet with the housing team very, very, very frequently to go through some of the issues that are happening and how we can move them along and look at the more strategic element of what we can do to try and eradicate some of the homelessness. But they are different roles, and having that robust relationship and the ability to challenge is really important.
Wel, i ddod o cabinet, mae'n gorfod gweithio'n glos o fai swyddogion. Mae rhaid rwy'n fod yn gyfaill, ac hefyd mae rhaid rwy'n sefyll yn dôl a fod yn gofyn y cwestiynau anodd pan mae yna problemau o fewn y gwasanaeth. Fel rôl o fentro i raddau, ac hefyd fel rôl o wrando a fod yn gefnogol i sicrhau bod y gwasanaeth yn cael ei gyflwyno yn y ffordd gorau posib. Dwi wedi gweithio'n agos iawn efo Conwy sydd yn swyddog sydd wedi datblygu lawer o'r cynlluniau atal llifogydd. Mae yna enghraifft o'n Llanfairfechan lle mae yna waith cynnal a chadw wedi cael ei wneud ar yr morglawdd yn fanno. Mae hyn yn digwydd trwy gydol o sir.
Rhywbeth diweddar da ni wedi gwneud yma yng Conwy ydy croeso cynnes. Roedd llyfrgellwyr a staff y llyfrgell yn hydref llynedd yn poeni am rhai trigolion oedd yn dod i'r llyfrgell. Oedd yn poeni bod pobl yn dioddo oherwydd baich costa byw da ni'n gwynebu ar hyn o bryd. A mae staff llyfrgelloedd wastad ar gael i helpu ac i gefnogi pobl oherwydd bod nhw yn angerddol iawn am eu cymunedau nhw. A roedden nhw eisiau mynd cam yn bellach mwyn cefnogi pobl, felly dyna pam nathon ni lansio croeso cynnes o bod y llyfrgelloedd yn ardal diogel roedd pobl yn gallu dod fewn i gadw'n gynnes.
County Llanfairpwll is the largest multi-member ward, so we end up with 4 councillors, which makes for a very exciting polling day. And there are some things where we have campaigned for the opposite of each other, but sometimes there's something that you just think, well, the answer's obvious to this. And where we have some children that have been finding that they haven't got much to engage with in the community and maybe are going, leading each other astray and finding their fun in ways that aren't really very socially acceptable to the rest of us. It's really important that we work with that and try and resolve that because that's affecting all our residents. And that was something that we all completely agreed on and therefore have worked really hard together to try and achieve something that we can put in place for those younger people.
I think we've got to accept that we're never going to agree on everything. But it's actually treating everybody with respect, understanding that all 4 of us actually want the same thing. We may want to achieve it in slightly different ways, but all 4 of us want to improve things for all the residents. And it's communicating and talking with each other, like, we've set up a WhatsApp group, we email each other, we phone each other, we have meetings together, and where we all agree, then we all work together to try and make things happen.
One of the first pledges that I said that if I was successful in becoming a councillor, whoever the other 2 successful councillors were, my pledge would be, regardless of political persuasion, that I work and we work together on issues. It's working really well. We meet weekly. We don't bring politics into it. We work together on big issues, and then any little issues, we just get on with the day-to-day job.
Honestly, I couldn't pick any 2 better county councillors to work with. We work together so well as a team. We think in the same way, that we know what we're doing is right for the residents. And I think that's why we are so successful.
We see it as just one area, one community. I work incredibly closely with Councillors Neil and Gail in the neighbouring ward of Arius, and the people out there don't see those barriers, and neither do we. It's what's for the good of our residents in our area. I also work with our Llisford councillors, our Betterton Rose councillors, to get the best that we can. We collaborate on all sorts of things, summer picnics, Christmas fairs, looking at the new local development plan. We work together, you get more done.